Would you like images in your dashboards to be displayed like this, or maybe this? The recent update to the Files and Images field in the Record Details widget lets you do all of it. Hi, my name is Artem, I'm a product manager at SmartSuite. Let me explain you what I mean. Let's add Record Details widget first. And remember, it always works in combination with Record Selector widget that I have already created. We'll use Real Estate Agency dashboard as an example here. Record Selector brings the list of properties, and once I pick one, Record Details will display its photo gallery. We'll add the Files and Images field and look carefully to the new settings that it now offers. There are two display formats to choose from, Field and Carousel. Let's explore details for each of them. When we select the field, we'll get two other subsettings, List and Grid. If we go with the list, we'll get this more compact display with smaller thumbnails, which is very useful when you need to display more images on the page at once. If we go with a grid, we'll be able to select one of 4 image sizes, starting with small and all the way up to XL. And the number of images that fit in one row will depend on the width of the widget. The carousel format will quickly become your favorite, I'm sure. This is the best option when your images need to stand out and be presented at full scale. Here you can select if you need to show 1 or 2 images on the row, and also control the height of the container. Let's see the final result in action. I will pick a property in the selector, and now I can click through the photo gallery. It looks really nice, doesn't it? And that's all I have for now. Be sure to subscribe as we have more updates on the way. If you have any questions, I will gladly answer all of them. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers!